Yeah.
That's got to be an element they consider, is the human element.
Yeah.
Of how many people are actually going to be able to consistently take money from the market, and would it even be an amount where we
even though we say, and it is, even though it is, it's fairly precise. It's not that precise. I don't know if that makes any sense. It doesn't just go to any higher time frame level. Sometimes it just goes right through it, and then you trap people in there.
Oh, you mean like it reacts, displacement, the whole thing, and then you still lose? Yeah, I mean, that element's still there, but it's not often.
Yeah.
It's really not. I bet you, and I don't know why it hadn't happened yet, but you could probably code this, and I know you're all about that shit.
Oh, yeah, I've thought about it, man. I thought about it so many times, but I don't know how I would go about it. I don't know enough to really follow through. And I've thought about it so much, I just haven't mentioned anything to you because, well, it's not, it's just not, I don't know enough yet. But yep, have thought about it.
And I don't know if Thinkorswim or NinjaTrader would be the better platform, but I know what we could do if you even wanted to try starting that process. But there are some subjective things in there where the trader gets to, you know what I mean? We get to make decisions on the fly.
Yes.
Where you won't necessarily have that ability. Every decision, everything would have to be objective.
Yeah.
That's hard.
Talking about, if we were doing this full time, I would go crazy, not, have anything to do. That's something I would do. I would spend.
Yeah, work on the code.
Yeah, I would do that. I would do that day in and day out, tinker with it and enjoy it. It wouldn't be like a stressful thing.
Because that would be interesting to get that. Like I said, we make that final decision where we believe, based off what we're seeing in price, that it's a reaction.
Yeah.
And how do you put that into a mathematical code? I don't know. I really don't.
No.
But we've also seen, like yesterday, twice, where, your computer code would have lost.
Yep.
Or do you make, somehow you're going to say, there's another BISI down at the bottom. Or you're going to have to say only that one.
Exactly.
Only the first one and never take anyone after that.
Yeah.
Yep. Which is kind of what we lean towards.
Yeah, it's hashing out those details, and then you got to live with that, I say, margin of error. Yeah, well, it's that margin of error of, okay, and never made it back into that first BISI, for instance. And
you just have to live with the fact
you got to live with that fact and be done with it. You can sit there and tinker with it, but then it skews the numbers in every which way. So just something to keep in mind with, well, maybe, let's just say if there's two BISIs together counted as one, you can do that. But again, sometimes it'll make it, sometimes it won't. Live with it.
All you got to really do is identify in the code points of interest on the higher time frames.
And
you can probably even minimize it to within 100 points of current price.
Absolutely. And with time, yes, you can code it yourself, figure it out. But there's so many like badass coders out there that you can hire somebody and you can hash out those details with them. And then
like ChatGPT.
Well, there you go. I mean, I didn't even think about it that way. Absolutely.
You might be able to work it out now. NinjaTrader code script, if it's not proprietary, it might have access to write.
Exactly.
But it probably can't, because all that you copy and paste codes, and so all it needs is to understand the language.
Yep.
That's a reaction right there, but it's off no level. And I bet you could work it out with ChatGPT.
Yeah.
So damn, that would actually probably work.
That'd be cool.
Very quickly.
Yeah. Yep.
And then you said NinjaTrader will automate.
Yeah, NinjaTrader will actually. They have a pretty badass. I don't know how you call it, automation department ability. Pretty cool.
But then you would turn it on at 6:30 and turn it off at 1.
Yeah. Why 1? I'm curious. Why 1?
Market closes at 2. Oh, you just mean just leave it.
Well,
I mean, you could, I guess, but fuck, I don't know. Those Asian.
Yeah,
I
that's
just
true.
think you're better.
Yeah, absolutely. That's again. Maybe I get back into that and just literally, it's a side project. I don't depend on it. It's just for fun.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
So, ChatGPT can help.
Dude, not a bad idea. I haven't even thought about that. ChatGPT.
Yeah, they probably can code that pretty quick.
We're live, by the way. Just FYI.
Fuck you, Chat.
I'm rich. I'm rich. You're poor. I'm better.
I can smell your poorness.
Yeah, I can smell your poorness.
Oh, we love Pee-wee.
Yeah, dude. I wasn't watching him live, but after Tanja got off, it automatically goes to like the next video. It queues it up, and it happened to be Pee-wee, and yeah, he was yelling into the mic saying, "You guys are poor. You guys are losers."
That's funny, dude. Takes the Howard Stern approach to being popular. Oh, let's see. Glance over.
We literally don't have anything anywhere near.
Well, I know you don't like it. I got kind of London low and yesterday's close. I have that marked. I want to see that. But big inefficiency from yesterday's PM session. Now, we entered it.
Let's do London low. Okay. And
London low and yesterday's close are very, very close.
Yeah, I see that. I see. Man, see, you have different lenses, dude. God dang, that's incredible. I have it marked. I have previous day close marked on my chart. I just don't think about it like that. That's crazy.
No, it's like I said, just a card on your desk. We were going to laminate.
Yeah.
So you don't have to think about it. You just need to go through your card.
I have it right in front of me.
Sweet.
Liquidity, inefficiencies, CE of inefficiencies, new week open gap, new day open gap, CE of wicks, and previous day close.
But we haven't had a lot of gaps lately. Remember that one time we were like gapping every fucking day?
Gap. Yep.
Yeah, it was crazy. We haven't been gapping much.
1 hour.
Nothing on the 4 hour. So that's interesting. So it'd be playing off of, unless we really tank, we're going to be playing off of the 1 hour.
That 1 hour BISI.
I am interested in that. I mean, we entered it in Asian, I guess, or after the market, right? When it's closed. And so, I don't know.
Why do I still have them? Oh, that's a SIBI. That's a 1 hour SIBI that we've entered once, twice, 3 times. It's still marked on my chart. There's liquidity, buy side liquidity above that's 1 hour SIBI. Do you see that? Talking about Sunday high on the 1 hour. I guess you can see it clearly.
Yes.
Which right behind it has there's SIBIs 1 hour SIBI, 4 hour SIBIs. So there's stuff up above us that we can easily go into. Okay, so there's my idea. I'm forming an idea right now.
So I did change my charts up a bit.
Okay.
Open range gap is something. So regular trading hours on my 1 minute. And so we opened and we filled the gap instantly right away.
We opened and we filled the gap instantly.
Yeah. Not a big gap, but it just went boom down, filled it, and shot up.
Do you see that mainly on the lower time frames?
Yeah, I'm on only regular trading hours on the 1 minute. So
oh God, yeah. I never do that. Ever.
I know, the regular trading hours. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Wow. Yeah, I never do that.
Well, so I've got 5 charts across the screen now, and my 1 minute's going to stay regular trading hours, right? It doesn't matter. It's only for entry, but it will allow me to see the open range gap.
Hey, you're smart, dude. My boy's wicked smart.
Yeah, and I'm back on NinjaTrader Replicanto. I did figure out that it's going to be difficult. The only way I can scale out is to scale in. Make sense?
I'm thinking about logistically. So you have.
Well, that would work on, TradingView as well. But let's say you set everything. So let's just make it simple. It's all one micro. You buy in once, you buy in twice. Now you have 2 micros on every account. Then you can scale out. 1, scale out less than the next one. So you have to scale in and scale out. You can't just get it all at once and then scale out. It won't work.
I'm having difficulty actually thinking about that. So if you scale, if you have 2...
Well, it'd be 2 buy orders that are 25 cents apart or something right next to each other. That's 2 orders.
Yeah.
Which keeps your demo account, the actual leader account stays in sync. That's the problem. You have a leader account.
I think that's the part that I didn't have. So if you have a leader account that connects to all of them. That one account everybody follows. Okay. And
so you pre-allocate. And so when you put in an order, it's like 1 order for the whole group.
And then another order.
And then another order for the whole group. 2 stop losses. 2 targets.
Ooh, just be careful. Just be careful.
It's a little complicated.
Yeah. Just be careful in not forgetting where you are on the count.
Yes, which the way I set it up, it is Replicanto sits now right next to my 1 minute. I'm gonna send you a picture.
Okay. Wow, we didn't take any liquidity. I bet on the news we do.
Yeah, we have ISM services PMI coming up. So that's at 8 o'clock. And non-farm payroll tomorrow too.
Yep.
And so that's a biggie. All right, I'm gonna send you this photo. Left to right, it's daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, and 1 minute. And then right next to that 1 minute, where I'm actually signed into.
We do things backwards.
Oh, you got 1 minute all the way left?
Yes.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Anyway. Yeah, so we just took out some liquidity again. Now, we didn't take out
the major
Sunday.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, we got real close.
I see what you're doing. That's real clean. Wow. Yeah, you need more screens, don't you?
Well, I do, because I had to close my Thinkorswim, not close it, but minimize my Thinkorswim investment side, which is fine because I don't need to be doing both at the same time.
Sure.
I can day trade, and then I'll close all this, and then I do. In fact, I really need to. I need to put some trades on. I will tell you that I have my realized gains, my opened and closed trades for the month. Okay, the first month was $2,100, open and closed.
Wow. Okay.
So that's what I've realized for, and so that's only 2%. It's exactly 2%.
Oh, I see. So that's you're behind.
24% annualized. I'm a little bit behind. So I need to figure that out.
Yeah.
Also, too, I spent some time on Vega this morning. I got Vega posted up on all my different trade ideas. One good news about it.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't realize that my IPMCC trades are positive Vega. Because I have leaps. I have bought leaps.
Oh, okay. I was confused. Yes. Yeah, because that makes sense. As volatility inflates, your play is going to inflate. Absolutely.
Yeah, those inflate. However, why does volatility inflate?
Because it's going down. Yeah.
So I have a feeling I think it's another mirage.
That's why it works on puts and not on calls. Remember that.
If you bought puts, sure, you're positive Vega.
Yeah.
And if you sold puts, you're negative Vega.
Yes. Yeah. Yep. That's why it doesn't work on calls as good.
So get this shit. My total all things, and I've got a lot of short puts on, right? I am negative $670 Vega.
Negative $670 Vega for every point. Is that right?
That's right. For every VIX point. So we're at 17. If we go to 37, that's about a $13,000 hit straight across the board for no fucking reason. I was trying to explain this to Jess last night. I said, in Vegas for no fucking reason.
It's no reason other than worry. That's what it is. You know that, right? It's worry.
Yeah. Which also, I wanted to go back. This is theory. I wanted to go back and look at when did implied volatility start climbing in April. The reason why I want to see that is because we have not had any VIX spikes that are worthwhile, right? It's all just been ranging in this little tight 15 to 17.
Yeah.
On all these pullbacks.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Are you able to watch the VIX to kind of clue in this down day or whatever you're going in? Is this going to continue, or is this a pullback?
Well, I
don't know.
I'm stirring the pot here, man. It's a can of worms. Jesus Christ, because I don't know enough about it. However,
city entries, by the way.
I see that. I see it. Yeah, I see it. But I see it, but I don't like it. First of all, news. Second of all, I wanted it to take out. Shut up, dude. I wanted it to take out those highs up above, and I'm fine missing this move.
Okay.
I was getting back to market internals. Is there something that you can read into in those instruments?
Well, there's a guy on Instagram, old guy, that says at the bottom of a market, when the market pops up, you should see a large increase in volume. So in other words, identifying dead cat bounce, meaning like what we say is a pullback in a bear market.
Yeah.
To just reprice and then come back down. That pullback shouldn't have a lot of volume to it. It shouldn't be a large volume.
Oh, I see. So you'll be able to tell by volume.
By volume. this works in reverse at the top as well. At the top of a market, when the market sells off from that high, you should see an increase in volume. Oh no, I think it's an increase or a decrease in volume. I don't know, actually. I'd have to
well, it would make sense at the top of for instance, at the top of the market, a decrease in volume because nobody wants to buy the top, quote unquote. And then
more sell.
Yes, and then as it goes down, you have a shit ton of volume. Yeah,
yes,
I see that.
So anyway, you talk about some other using volume or volatility. Now, volatility could be a lagging indicator where, actually, I already tell you that it's probably bullshit because the time I got royally fucked, volatility spiked like a son of a bitch. We pulled back 100 points. Within a week, we were back up. So it didn't predict a continuation down.
I gotcha.
However, I will say it wasn't long after the market did actually retrace.
Which validates, yeah.
Which completely validates it. It just took a month or two later.
Yeah.
Wasn't that I don't know if it was at 21, 22. I can't remember.
I don't remember. I think it was 22. ES is a bit different. It took out its liquidity. It took out the equal highs. Do you see that on the 4 hour predominantly?
Yeah, sure.
Behind it, there's a
the 1 minute, sitting out, but it's not respecting that at all. So,
take a look at the 4 hour though. And yes, well, I mean now we're going higher here, but.
ES looks a little stronger. And if I look over at my screen, that makes sense. Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, AMD, Oracle, Google are all red, and the rest of the world is green. Google is in the
S&P? No.
Oh, they're all S&P, yeah. Are they? Like NASDAQ is all pretty much tech-weighted. S&P has 500 companies. And it's spread out a lot better.
Boy, I'm ashamed to say that I don't know what those major stocks really where they trade. Wow.
Yeah, they trade in both indexes.
Oh.
And Dow, I assume.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Still, I'm ashamed.
Absolutely, yeah.
I'm ashamed I didn't know that.
It's not like Meta and Google and Microsoft only belong to NASDAQ. They trade both. S&P 500 encompasses all of NASDAQ 100 plus 400 more.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense.
That's their name.
Yeah, that makes sense.
It's the NASDAQ 100. Yeah.
You learn something new every damn day.
So that makes sense. I'm looking at what primarily controls NASDAQ as being red in the S&P, but everything else is green. Amazon's nice and green. But all the others are doing a little better. Which explains to me sometimes when NASDAQ goes down, my accounts don't. When it comes to my passive income stuff, because I don't trade those big tech guys.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And so I don't get affected. Oh, Jesus. Well, we're definitely, I think at this point, we're locked into waiting for 8.
I'm locked in here until 9 o'clock. I know what you're talking about, but I'm just being open and being just hoping that you hold me to it. 9 o'clock at the very least. Here till 9 o'clock.
I'll probably have to bail if I don't get anything fairly early. I had just that work crap that was kind of starting to irritate me. I don't want to show up too late today.
Sure.
I don't know what I need to worry about, what I don't. I don't think I'll be fire today. But
Dude.
Definitely, with 20 years experience in this business, I can feel when relationships take a turn.
And you're feeling it right now?
Oh, yeah. Last night. So after dealing with Lucas on his crap, then that occurred with for the first time in over a year, in 2 years of knowing these people, first time of exhaustion, frustration I could feel, and it was directed towards me.
Okay. Let's not talk about it.
And let's not talk about it.
Yeah, it's well, we're live. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So you know, that's why
I get it.
I have Plan B created.
Well, I'm curious though. Just this one question, then we'll leave it alone. How long do you have until the house is done?
Oh, I've probably got 10 months to a year worth of work, a good solid amount.
Okay.
You know, a lot of income and bills being paid.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But I need to, and this is the goal. Yeah. So it's not like what I did this morning was off the wall. Together, what it would require. I've never really looked at it like that.
Well,
here's the dumb. You want to know something really dumb?
Yeah.
And this is what's really fucking crazy. You want to know what it is?
Yes, sir.
You know, I go through. I have all my finances on an Excel sheet, so I can kind of delete things. I go, if I sell this, how does that affect my weekly requirement?
Sure.
You know, keeping the plane. Okay. So let me get back. So with as many contracts as I'm trading on the actual funded, plus my cash.
Okay.
It's a difference in 8 points a week to keep the plane.
That's hilarious, dude. That's funny when you think about it in those terms. And
it's just ridiculous.
Not to, I'm truly not to move away from what we're talking about here, but I remember Cindy, the ex-owner of Condotel, she broke it down to the number of bathrooms that she has to clean, that her company has to clean in order to pay the bills. Isn't that hilarious?
Yeah. So you think about such an expensive item, you know, and it's just the whole thing, right? Mm-hmm. But, you know, that's per month. You think about the full year or whatever, but you break that down to per week. Mm-hmm. And you break, you know, and you're like, well, it's $80 per point. Mm-hmm. You know, it's funny. It just goes just up a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like nothing,
and
right?
You can pay for it.
Yeah. Yeah, but like you said,
I have to realize that is a mirage.
Yeah,
that is a mirage.
You have to ground yourself, my dude, and you
That's
can't.
Difference between me now and me last year.
And you can have. I don't call yesterday a meltdown. It's just frustration. You can have those days up and down emotionally, but just stick with it. Show up every day. Place those trades every day. Win or lose.
Yeah, it's when you let that affect the system.
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. And
now you've made unrepairable damage.
Mm-hmm.
And you've just lost time, essentially.
Yeah. Just every day. I'll say it that way.
Time's the one thing you can't get back.
It's now Adam the philosophizer. What was the on dodgeball. I can't remember the philosophize or whatever.
It's true though. I mean, that's what you really give up is time. And I'm looking at myself at 43 and I'm going, okay, I'm going to get myself down to a busted truck. I'm not going to have any toys. I'm going to, tighten everything up. If I want it, I have to be able to afford it cash. But even do I want to do that? Because it takes away from the growth and the investment side, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, why did I not go through this when I was 20? I wasn't ready. But you see what I mean? It's like, do this shit when you're young.
Dude, I try. And it's funny, dude, because I try to tell Edric that. He's 11 years old. This goes just over his head. He doesn't even think about it. He doesn't even care about it. But I even say, save $1 a day, son. $1 a day get in that mindset. But it doesn't matter because you don't think about it as a kid. Even in your late teens, early 20s, it doesn't matter. You don't think about it. All you think about is partying, buying things, girls, chicks. That's just the truth.
It's true. I guess I watch a lot. I see a lot of Kevin O'Leary and Mark Cuban. And I get these people are very diamond. Like they just don't. What am I trying to say? 1 in a million, right?
Yeah.
These Shark Tank guys, these billionaires. They're billionaires, right? We're not talking about 100 millionaires. We're talking about billionaires.
Yeah. That's
And they did this at 20.
Yeah.
And like Mark Cuban telling the story, his car was worth $300, and he was a millionaire.
Yeah.
I mean, he was like, dude, you could see through the fucking floorboard in my shit, but I drove that car. I drove the fucking doors off that car, and I was already a millionaire.
Well,
and you go, well, damn, that's. And then Kevin O'Leary's going, discipline. The difference between rich people and poor people is discipline. I have the discipline not to buy a $50,000 watch. I've got a $300 Timex on my vest.
Yeah.
Discipline. He's a billionaire.
Yeah.
He's a billionaire, and he goes, $300 watch. Now I'm not into watches, but you know what I mean.
Yeah,
These
absolutely.
guys, if you're a billionaire, like my mentality, I would own Reynoso.
Yeah.
No. That's actually might be a good investment. No, I would own all sorts of dumb shit.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I would never probably gotten to billionaire status.
That's hilarious because so what you're saying is I'm the next Mark Cuban with my shitty ass 2006 Suzuki
get that alternator replaced.
That needs an alternator. Yeah.
You just keep fucking driving. Well, no, so it's the mentality.
Yeah.
And I'm finally like sinking in that it's a lot of I got taught to spend. It's how I got brought up. My mom and stuff. Don was frugal, but he had basically my mom said she's a spender, dude.
Is she?
Yeah, she grew up. So the Chandlers used to have a lot of money, and the Chandlers and Gandys were together.
Mm-hmm.
They were millionaires,
Okay.
And so she didn't grow up millionaire. Like her dad married into that family.
Okay.
And had little businesses here and there, and they had the ranch, but she grew up kind of bougie, around bouginess.
I see.
And wanted it, right?
Yeah.
She loves and wants the bougie.
Yeah.
Well, and then she raised me and never said no to me. So I have the disease of a get it. If you want it, get it.
Yeah.
And the only thing that kept me going is I had good work ethic. Because I can. In fact, one thing that drove me was to not have to run out of money. And I was like, wow, I better. And then I worked really good.
That's funny.
So that cycle is to make it and spend it, make it, spend it, make it, spend it. And I'm ready to change that.
I don't.
I'm not. We got 3 minutes.
I'm not really necessarily playing the race card here, but I mean, I'm Mexican, bro. I mean, what more do you want to know about me?
There's bougie Mexicans.
Oh yeah, but definitely not my family. You know all my family. Fuck.
That's why it's easier for you, and that's cool. I mean, you're using that to advantage.
Sure. It hasn't gotten me anywhere right now, but it allows me to live a little bit more stress-free while I'm doing this. It's that simple.
Yeah.
I don't have all these things that I'm tied to financially. And even though that I'm still stressed out, I'm not as stressed out as if I owned a bunch of dumb shit.
Yeah. It is dumb shit. It is a bunch of dumb shit. So You know.
But when you have a decent amount, as long as you can pay the bills, all this, dude, fucking go ape shit. You know, buy whatever you want to buy. Just make sure that you can afford it.
Well, okay.
Like, you don't have to go fucking Mark Cuban style or fucking Karen Lear. Like, that's like to the extreme, right?
Well,
Like,
they actually spend only a very, 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 very small
percentage of their income, yeah, because they're billionaires, and they probably spend, you know, somewhere around, like, I would be surprised if they say 5% on pleasure.
It's like, I still... Daisy, go! Shit.
Okay, it's 7:58, man. We got a minute.
I need to sit down. Stupid dog's running to the end of the road. But she's on her own.
We got a minute.
Yeah. Oh, this is the final go for today. Let's do it. I mean, this is a sweep of 3 different releases on a red folder. It's like, come on. You can see how the candles start getting antsy. You ever see that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You start watching, you're like, okay, all right, here we go.
Yep.
Trying to juke you out. 40
yes,
seconds.
sir.
Yeah, so anyway, I mean, it's a concept, but if you really think about your goal and where you want to go, it's like, okay, I can get myself a nice truck, about 50,000. It's used. But you think, dude, I'm gonna pull 50,000
out of your
and
account.
You don't run your investments. You're like, fuck, dude, that just like cut me back 2 years.
Isn't that crazy, dude?
Yeah, and that's, if you're aware of it, then you go, you know what, I'm good.
Yeah.
Because if I just wait 2 more years,
you'll be able
that won't have near the effect.
And then you know that 50,000 may turn into 75,000. You know.
Yeah.
Instead of buying, instead of buying the truck at 50,000, now it's worth fucking 25.
Well, and that's the other thing. Yeah, once you spend that cash, it ain't going up. It's going down. That's liability with tires and oil changes and insurance. It's all liability.
Wow. News did nothing.
Not yet. Just wait. Sometimes it'll get the momentum. Let's see. We're just sitting in that open range gap, which we never talk about. So I'm glad we're talking about it today.
Open range gap.
We've whipped in that fucker 4 times.
Let me go back to regular trading hours. That is crazy. I see it. You know what? I'm going to mark it off.
Well, you can keep your 1 minute on this. You don't need all that data.
New dog or end dog.
No, it's open range. It's ORG. New day open gap is that difference between the end of the session on one day and the start at 1600. That's new day open gap.
Oh shit, you're right. I see new day open gap. And so I need to go here.
Open range gap.
Yes. My bad. I see it. Because it opens here. Yep.
And I don't need to be technical. It's a fucking gap. Watch it. Who cares what you name it? Name it. Fuck you, chat.
Fuck you, chat. Okay, got it. Yeah, that's it.
What if we react off the open range gap? I will not trade it, but I will definitely note it. You and I have no idea what clout that holds, because you and I have not been following it.
Yep.
We tried last year. I don't think you remember all that. Okay, alarms off. That was yesterday's close that we just tapped.
I see that.
Okay, which is also
London low.
You know, so if that fucking shit right there. But there you go. So you have 3 things. If I were to be able to write it down or whatever, I've got open range gap, I've got London low, and I have yesterday's close right here. Correctamundo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Doesn't mean shit until it means shit. You know what I mean?
Is it a coincidence that there's a SIBI forming right there in the ORG? Oh, never mind.
No, I wouldn't. Remember, we're reverse trend traders, so I guess you would be trying to recognize the displacement through, kind of like a fuck you sayonara. We're going to the next place. Idea.
Yeah.
We're in GDX somehow.
We're in the 1 hour BISI.
It's the next one I'm wanting to go to.
Yeah,
so,
I see. I mean, it's much slower.
It looks like we're getting there. So I don't even have to put an alarm on that. That's basically Asian low, by the way. So if you're watching, if we pass through Asian low, we will be making a lower low into that BISI. You might want to watch CE of the BISI for fun. Okay.
Yeah, I see it.
So let's mark CE.
That when I put my box on the fair value gap, it automatically.
I love that.
Yeah.
Dude, like TradingView.
It's fucking awesome, huh?
Very built around. Yeah, it's friendly to.
It's ICT friendly.
Yeah, it's ICT friendly. Yeah. And it's Asian low.
Asian low. What's her name? Tanja. She has Asian low marked off too, which is interesting.
By the way, that short that we were talking about, it's working.
Oh, jeez.
It took out. See what it took out? Took out Asian.
Took out well, I wouldn't say London. Asian, and then whatever high that is at 4 o'clock. And then there's the entry. How many points is that? I like to see. What's the stop loss?
60, 50, 60, 70.
Stop loss 39, and so far it's up 70 points. Jeez. Jesus.
Tough again with this stupid 8 o'clock news release.
That's weird.
And I just don't remember so many 8 o'clock news releases. And I don't know if it's something that's kind of changed. And now they're going to do that more or what. But
yeah, that is weird, man. I don't remember seeing so many 8 o'clock news. Newses. We're back into a daily BISI that's been fucking used many times. Just
that's never bothered you.
It bothers you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, I get it. But
I know.
Yeah, is that big green candle an order block on the daily? I just don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It's the Thursday, August 28th. Is that an order block? I don't know. I don't understand order blocks even to this day. And it does drive me nuts. Make it simple.
The 28th?
I confuse myself with the name. Because I think, just say it backwards. Block orders.
Order block orders?
It blocks orders. It blocks off orders from continuing that direction. That's how and I could be totally saying that wrong.
It blocks orders. That's...
It's an order block.
Let's think about this move here. Would you be at all interested if this thing starts displacing up?
Well, I think I'd have to be.
My
previous day close, London.
Oh, Asian low.
Asian, and then into the 1 hour BISI with reaction. I mean, I think would kind of have to be. I don't know,
I feel like Tyler Trades is looking.
He's gonna short it.
No, he's thinking. I'm seeing his little risk to reward little tool. You know what I'm talking about? I see him putting it on for a long trade. He's not in a trade. It's just interesting to think that he also is anticipating a move to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
My target would be 552.
I get that. That's taking out liquidity and entering a city right behind it.
Yeah, that's
on both 1 hour and 4 hour.
Yeah, so that's. I mean, even before then, we have buy side liquidity. This morning's high. But anyways, let's see what she does here. If she goes lower,
Alibaba's down 5%. Okay, just pay attention.
Alibaba, are you having to?
I could get me some Baba.
Are you? Oh, there you go. Okay, cool.
I made money on it.
Yeah,
already.
you've exited your puts, right?
Yeah, I got 90% on them already, so
awesome.
I need to do it again. Oil's got me kind of to the huevos at the moment, but it's all right. It'll pop up, you know. But I'm not, man. I don't know.
What am I talking about? Oil. I was gonna say gas. Oil seems to be your problem child day in and day out.
Well, you know, and I'm playing CL or not MCL, and it's powerful.
Oh, you're playing a full CL.
Yeah, I'm in there. So I mean, the numbers big.
Yeah.
And compared to everything else.
Sure.
Know, so.
I like to see. Let's see. ES. What's ES doing? Is there anything? Okay. Daily. No.
So ES has come down and filled its gap. It's sitting inside its gap right now. Its open range gap. And it's trying to push lower. I hadn't taken London out or anything like that.
Oh, look at the 1 hour on ES. It has a very similar setup, but it's lagging. You see that? It's very apparent on the 1 hour.
Yeah, it hadn't gone all the way down to stuff yet.
Yeah.
Now careful, because so many times it's like, oh, yes, it's not, and it reverses anyway.
Yep.
So, it's happened fucking all week, I feel like.
Yeah.
Before this gets
I don't look like a short.
if I'm wrong or not, it's totally not too.
Emerging markets. I wonder about getting into emerging markets too, little ETF.
Oh, we're gonna get a busy here.
Remember, you need to identify displacement.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you look very pretty, baby.
Thank you. Ooh, right there, bro.
Oh, I do see it. Good. Love you, baby.
Oh,
What's your day? Oh, yeah, you got Jim, right?
We got a whole minute left.
All right. Well, recapping real quick. Yes, you can see the wick. We've come through London. And so many things, right? So many things.
Yeah.
I think we're okay with taking this trade, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
long. I'm just gonna get my
Well, you
little.
still got 60 more seconds.
Yeah, I want to get ready to see what kind of stop loss. Oh, that's easy. 25-point stop loss.
Unless this gets closed off.
Sure, it's a possibility.
It's back in and just filled that gap again. The open rate. I'm not loving it.
Oh
Not loving that,
no!
Dizzy. Nope.
Oh no!
We're out. I'm out.
Yeah,
I ain't taking that little shit, this.
no.
All right, well, decision's made for us, bro. We don't have to think about it.
NASDAQ. Oh, she's gonna try that long.
She's going to try that little thing?
Let's. Oh, is it on ES? Let me check out ES. I don't know what she's actually trading.
It closed.
Oh, there's an awesome Bissy there on ES.
Okay, well, not on NASDAQ.
Yeah, she's in it in on NASDAQ.
Well, there's no Bissy.
No, she isn't. Yeah, she's playing NASDAQ.
Based off of ES's action. Interesting.
Yeah.
What about Tyler?
Nothing, man. Nothing on Tyler.
Why is he all of a sudden being a pussy?
32. Oh, she's 10 points away from getting stopped out. 32.25.
Take that trade.
32.
I seem to,
Go ahead.
yeah, I seem to say that a lot about her.
Mm-hmm. 32.
Why does she take
32,
these trades?
25. 32, 25.
Why are you saying that over and over again? I'm curious.
Because I'm looking at my chart to see why. Oh, yeah, she got stopped
She's
out.
out.
Yeah. I was trying to see why. Oh,
So
that's
I
why.
feel like she does that like a warm up. You know, you go to the gym and you do your warm up. No one likes your warm up. It's like that's her warm up every morning. She fucking takes a loser.
Yep.
Times just lost. Yeah. I don't know why she took that trade.
Yeah, that's crazy. That was a warm up.
Go suck today's dick, baby. Swallow the whole thing. Gurgle it. Make some gag.
Google it. Make cum bubbles.
Cum bubbles. Yeah.
Well, fuck us, right?
Watch the CE, maybe, but I don't know. Remember, market manipulation to an area.
Yeah.
How's that feel right now? Does it really feel?
It looks. I know this is a very biased opinion here, but it looks like it's setting up for the long after that after a manipulation move.
You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So it's a quick move to get through a place to take it out so we can move on with our day, hauling ass the other direction.
Yep.
Okay, so that concept, how's that feel right now?
It
I
feels.
feel like that occurred when we took out the high. And now this is the chisel down.
Oh. That's interesting. I'm viewing it the opposite way.
But I'm using subjective
Yes. Yeah.
trader seat time type.
Yeah.
Did you get your phone?
Wow.
Okay.
Tyler Trades is now flipping biased.
Taking short?
Now he has an order in to go short.
What's order flowing short on the 1 minute? After taking liquidity.
Yeah, 34. Where his 40, 23,440.50.
Sure, there's a city there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where he wants it. Which is, I think it's dangerous because we're in a 1 hour busy. And I'm actually still thinking long, but I don't know.
I don't think long yet. There's more downside coming.
Okay.
I bet you we get up way down to like the 270. I could be wrong, but we'll see.
270?
Maybe. I mean, I have a 285 alarm, but there's a big old Bissy sitting there untouched.
Like a virgin. 270.
Ooh, PayPal's down. I'll do it at lunch. I need to prioritize my day. I could say day trade morning. Midday would be adding investment ideas. Well, there's his entry.
There's his entry. He's in.
Oh, I didn't tell you, but
You shorted.
I shorted MES last night.
Oh, last night.
And I'm holding a short position.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Where'd you get in?
I don't know.
Okay.
Last night.
Okay.
Somewhere in the middle of Asian. But I'm doing that because I'm so heavily weighted. And I'm not worried about the passive income or the 112 trades as much. It's more of my Morningstar, shooting star trades that I need a little bit of protection.
I'm thinking, you're not thinking long here, huh?
No.
Wow.
That, to me, is not displacement. That's not the view. So I would not trade this. Remember, we go down and we take a liquidity level out, and then we displace through, okay, see the high at 470? This Bissy could work, right?
God.
But this is order flow to the downside right now.
We're in a
Our
1 hour busy though.
Yeah, 1 hour busy. I don't think of it as just the first entry after that. Let's see this. I mean, here you are, bro. Here you are. This could work. I'm not going to tell you that. Oh, no. This isn't it. I'm not going to say that. Oh, no, Tyler. Oh, no.
416. So that's actually 4 right there. Okay. Well, I'm going to try it, man.
Bonus.
That has the structure look for me.
It does?
Yeah.
The structure?
Yeah.
I don't see structure.
There, took out that low, took itself out. That's
but it hadn't broken the 470 high. That's an odd look to me. This thing did not work. In other words, that when we were waiting, that was pretty good. Taking out the little high there, we were climbing above it. That should have continued. That looked right. Blah, blah, blah. Ripped Tanja's titties off, and now it's going to rip Tanja's titties off. It's ripping titties.
Ripping tits.
But let's look. Let's see. You're about to get your entry. Maybe I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
You do, though. That's what scares me.
No, don't listen to me. I'm just maybe being overly cautious.
There's my inverted fair value gap. I mean, it manipulated down to didn't quite get to the consequent encroachment, but where's his stop loss? His stop loss is 470.75.
Yeah, the highs.
Yeah.
Essentially, and I was thinking that we need to displace through for this to look right. Like I said, it could use this BISI to do that later, and you've got a much better price. But
yeah, damn, dude, it's not gonna get me in.
Just hang in there. Yeah, you can just leave your orders, man. What do we know about that first one?
Yeah.
Bam! Now
he just I bet that's gonna. He just lost.
We have watched our Furus.
Good job, both Tyler Trades and Tanja.
TTs.
TT, yeah. TT. Hey, yeah. Tyler Trades, Tanya Trades. They got a lot of TTs out. They've lost.
Yeah.
We haven't made it.
Ripping TTs off. See, get what I was getting
at. Yeah. Everything to TTs off. That's a good. So long position there to there. That's 22-point stop loss. He quickly switched. He's long
now. The reverse button.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, why not?
64.
I know. That's what they give you that reverse button for.
Yeah.
So they can make a shit ton of commissions. You can lose your ass.
And then what's the low?
So now this is looking better, homie. But we have a problem. You're whispering numbers to yourself. But we have an issue.
What's the
issue?
What's our issue? Our issue is our stop loss is the entrance to another BISI.
Basically, yeah. What's our rule?
You got to go all the way to the bottom. 50-point stop loss, my dude. Tanja is in.
She just marketed in?
Yeah, she just marketed in. Everybody's in.
Except for us.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's two BISIs there. Ooh.
Oink. So we can get to the 470 bounce, and that's the last time you'll ever see it again. Or we make it look really good, right? We bounce off the 470, it makes one more little high, and then wham, comes down, enters the next BISI, makes that look good for one moment, goes sideways, and then runs all of that, taking out it, making inducement, and entering the last one, and then going after 9 o'clock.
Oh, I got to call. Yeah, I need to get this, man. Call you back. Oh my god, dude.
What?
Oh my god.
What happened?
Well, I'm in this trade. I've been in this trade.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Did you get in?
Dude, I'm almost to work.
Oh no. Okay.
I don't have that. No,
No.
but this is down below. That's not.
I see. I'm in this trade. Apex 5. Sell. Okay. That's good. 47, 5, 8. Give me a second. I got stuck on the phone. I'm just going to get out. Okay, I got out. Darn it.
Why'd you get out?
So it did. It went into a SIBI. It didn't take that liquidity, and yeah. Oh, I don't even want to tell you. It's a 1 minute. It's a 1 minute. Yeah.
Why not wait for target?
Because I'm a pansy.
Still, after all this time, we're still a pansy.
You're still a pansy?
How many times did like do the move made target almost every time, right?
Almost every time, man. Almost every time. 548. Tyler Trades is going for everybody's going for liquidity. That's funny. Yeah, except for me. Yeah. That's hilarious. Yeah. Okay, sell 5. Okay. I got back in it. Yeah, we'll see. Obviously, it's going to be a green day no matter what happens, but I got back in. Wow. Amazing. No. No service?
Now it's come up. Fucking day, 1 minute. Oh yeah, here we are.
That's awesome. Awesome possum. Ugh. No matter what, it's a green day.
Okay. Sweet, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't take those ever. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Believe me, I know what you mean. Oh, God.
Unless I'm willing to take it. I'm willing to sit through both.
It's okay.
And the only way I can do that would be to put up a revert, like a. Oh. I don't know how you say it.
What do you mean?
To go half position or something, and then go half again at the entry to the next one or something.
Okay, I get that.
That's the only way I can get myself to consistently take
Yeah.
the second or third.
Yeah.
I gotta go. People are just waiting on me. I'll talk to you later.
Okay. All right, later. I cut it live. I'm sorry that I was quiet there for the longest time. I got a call from at my day job. I have to answer. There's nothing that I can do to avoid that. I placed a winning trade. I'm super happy about it. I'm super excited about it. I saw the trade. I'm good. Tyler Trades saw the trade. Tanya Trades saw the trade. I traded with what I consider the best of the best. Tyler trades, and Tanya trades, and I didn't occur a loss. I won. Boom! I got Top Step. I got Apex. I'm good. There are my trades. You can see. I lost an extra like $200 on the combine. It's fine. I'm not so happy about that, but whatever. I made money. All around. Super stoked about that. On the bigger accounts, did I take partial? No, I just took straight. Yeah, 25, so 50, almost 50 points. 71. So what? 50, almost 50 points. It's fine. It is what it is. Yeah. No, there's not much to say. I want to go back and actually show exactly why I got in that trade. It's all based off higher time frame, always. Let's go here. I'm going to go over this trade really quick, and then I'll cut the stream. Nothing on the daily. Everything to do on the 1 hour. We had this Bissy here. Oh, well, here. Let me put it on. Let me put it on this screen. Okay, really quick recap why I got in this trade. This 1 hour Bissy. We got in it. We took this liquidity here. We took this liquidity here. We went into the Bissy. We almost hit the consequent encroachment at the 1 hour. And we zoom in to the... And I don't like that you can't see that. Kill zone, order flow. I will hide. And then hide. Okay. So this is the 1 hour Bissy here. 1 hour Bissy. Took out those this low here. This is the structure that I was talking about that Adam didn't agree with me, and that's okay. Went down, up, down, taking out this high, or this low, excuse me, and then it went back up. It inverted all of this here. This is inversion. And so I wanted to get in here, but I ended up getting here, and it is what it is. It's probably going to hit target now, and that's okay. I made my money. I'm happy. We're good. That's it. That's all she wrote, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's live stream. I'm glad that I got that win. So excited. It just feels good. It feels absolutely good. See you guys here on the very next trading video. Hoping it's a green trade. See you guys later.